In this video,
Tower, it's number 2 on ready to take off.
somebody else screws up a radio call. Does this view ever get old? And bright flashing lights. That's what we have to look forward to on this video as we fly from Great Falls, Montana to Indianapolis Executive.
Tower, it's number 2 on ready to take off.
It's number 2 on flight, Great Falls Tower, wind 24025, gust 28. Resuming navigation direct Boise Airport, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff. It's number 2 on.
It's number 2 on flight, copy, resuming navigation direct Boise.
Resume own navigation out of Boise to Boise. It's number 2 on, copy.
Zulu, wind 230 at 19er, gust 30, visibility 10, few clouds at 5,000, few clouds at 7,000, temperature 7, dew point -9er, altimeter 29er, 96, visual approach runway 21 in use, notice airmen, runway 17 and 35 closed, taxiway Alpha between Alpha 3 and Alpha 5 closed, taxiway Zulu, Charlie, Charlie 1 and Charlie 3 closed. Arrivals contact approach on 128.6. Advise on initial contact, you have Papa.
Great Falls Ground, Premier 390 Golf Mike.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Great Falls Ground.
390 Golf Mike IFR to Tango Yankee Quebec, information Papa, and we're at Holman Aviation.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, clear to Tango Yankee Quebec Airport as filed, maintain 13,000. Expect flight level 410, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 128.6, squawk 6021.
Okay, 390 Golf Mike cleared as filed, up to 13,000 feet, 410 is the final, 128.6, 6021 is the squawk.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, read back correct.
Yeah, 390 Golf Mike, we're ready to taxi.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, runway 21, taxi Alpha.
21 via Alpha, 0 Golf Mike. Well, welcome aboard. Flight today for this afternoon from Great Falls to back to Indianapolis. I don't know if my camera's got it, but there was two
Premier 0 Golf Mike,
snowbirds here.
verify information. Correction, wind 230 at 23, gust 28, altimeter 29er, 97.
Roger that, 997, 0 Golf Mike. There was two Canadian snowbirds that just took off in formation. Cool. Quite a few snowstorms all around. You tell me that this AvMax firm here refurbs Dash 8s. Boy, there's a bunch of them lined up here.
Niner 0 Golf Mike, Great Falls Tower.
390 Golf Mike holding short of 21, we are ready.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Great Falls Tower, wind 250 at 13, gust 28, turn left heading 120, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Okay, left turn to 120, and 390 Golf Mike, clear for takeoff, runway 21.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, traffic at UH1 on a 4-mile final.
Roger that, 0 Golf Mike.
Blade 66, traffic Premier Jet, departing prior Alpha, you have the traffic in sight.
Blade 66, looking for traffic. Tower, Blade 66 has the traffic inside, maintain visual separation.
Blade 66, roger, maintain visual separation from the traffic, caution by turbulence.
Blade 66.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, contact departure.
Go to departure, Zero Golf Mike, good day. Departure Premier 390 Golf Mike, 8200, climbing 3000.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Great Falls departure, radar contact, cleared direct Lewistown, climb and maintain flight level 280.
Direct to Lewistown on flight level 280, Zero Golf Mike.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, just to verify that was 28028.
Flight level 280, Zero Golf Mike, we're out at 10,000 now.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, contact Salt Lake Center 133.4. Have a good one.
33-4, Zero Golf Mike, we'll see you. Salt Lake Premier 390 Golf Mike, 12,900, climbing to flight level 280.
390 Golf Mike, Salt Lake Center, roger.
So, flight plan for 2 hours and 55 minutes today. About 1,200 miles, 1,200 nautical miles back to Indy.
November 390 Golf Mike, climb maintain, flight level 350.
Flight level 350, Zero Golf Mike.
November 390 Golf Mike, that was a little bit broken. Climb and maintain, flight level 35035.
Flight level 350, Zero Golf Mike.
Kilo 032, Salt Lake Center, good afternoon.
So, flight plan takes us over Lewiston, Lima Whiskey Tango VOR, and then into Indianapolis, direct from there. Pretty easy routing.
United 298, Salt Lake Center, radio check.
And then we'll be landing in Indianapolis
United 298, roger.
evening,
Just wasn't
so
sure if you had checked on.
able to get a night landing for you guys. I know I get a lot of requests for that, but cameras just really don't work all that great at night, to be honest with you. I'm sure there's a way to adjust the exposure or something, but it's too much for me to do while I'm flying. So let's take what I can get.
99, 298, just verify level at flight level 350. United 298, thank you. Delta 2879, United 298, traffic, 12 o'clock, 25 miles. Westbound, Boeing 737, level 360, eastbound, Boeing 737, level 350. Air Canada 114, clear direct Green Bay for traffic.
980 Alpha Zulu, 12,500, climbing 14,000.
Cast 4890, Salt Lake Center, roger. Climb and maintain, flight level 310.
Climb maintain, flight level 310, go at 4980.
And as you heard, I've got flight level 410 as my final altitude. That's the highest I can go to anyway. It's the highest the airplane is certified to.
And 4980, clear direct roof test.
Direct roof test, guys, 4980.
Salt Lake Center, TPM 850, Bravo's level flight level 240.
850, Bravo, Salt Lake Center, roger. Delta 2879, contact Seattle Center on 119.22.
Good afternoon, Salt Lake Center. King Air 28 Kilo Pop is off Lewistown. I'd like to pick up our IFR to Helena.
Aircraft line IFR clearance, say again the call sign.
King Air 28 Kilo Pop.
Air 28 Kilo Papa, Salt Lake Center, good afternoon, squawk 4333.
4333, 8 Kilo Pop.
Quite a bit of snowing going on in the mountains over
Air
there.
Canada 114, contact Salt Lake Center 126.85. Air 28 Kilo Papa, stay position and altitude.
28 Kilo Pop is 8,500 climbing, and we're 3 miles to the west.
Air 28 Kilo Papa, clear to the Helena Airport as filed, maintain 16,000, and the Lewistown altimeter 29907.
28 Kilo Pop, and we request 180 if possible.
Air 28 Kilo Papa, maintain flight level 180.
28 Kilo Pop, cleared as filed, and 180.
Number 390 Golf Mike, climb and maintain flight level 410.
Flight level 410, Zero Golf Mike.
Cafe 890, contact Salt Lake Center 126.85.
It's been a busy week. Be glad to get
Number
home.
21 flight, contact Salt Lake Center 132.4.
Over to Salt Lake Center on 1324, number 21.
So I don't know if you guys heard him call that he was ready for takeoff. That is not the correct
Skywest
terminology.
4980, climb maintain, flight level 330.
Climb maintain 330, Skywest 4980.
I was, after I started up the engines, he called.
November 4403 Alpha, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 14,000, the Helena altimeter 3000.
Discretion 14,000, 03 Alpha.
He called Snowbird 21, ready for takeoff.
Judge 786, Salt Lake Center, roger.
Should have said Snowbird 21, ready for departure. The tower controller can come back and clear him for takeoff. And you guys know, who watch my videos regularly, you know that I occasionally screw up a call, radio transmission. So I'm not throwing stones at the guy. Just pointing out, as I do when I mess stuff up, pointing out what the problem was.
Mark, I've got today's Wall Street Journal if you want it. I've got today's Wall Street Journal too if you want it. good. Thank you.
Just 2 of us on board today. All right, so I'm gonna turn the cameras off here for a little while. And,
4356, Salt Lake Center, roger.
I'll turn them back on if anything interesting comes up, or otherwise I will turn them back on our arrival into Indy. Lately I've been doing some time lapse over this en route segment, so I'm going to go ahead and let this run in time lapse.
2329, contact Seattle Center, 119er.22.
Let me know if that's something you'd like to see, if you just not see the time lapse of the cruise portion.
390 Golf Mike, contact Salt Lake Center, 126.85.
2685, Zero Golf Mike, good day.
Jet 78, contact Minneapolis Center, 118.82.
1882,
Center Jet Lake 750, level 450. Lake 750, Chicago Center. Chicago Center, Southwest 4081, execute 390. South 4081, Chicago Center.
Well, a bit of an overcast evening, so not a lot of light to see
Yeah,
out there.
1171, cross the Zinca at 50340.
We'll have to see how this turns out, no guarantees.
Number 390 Juliet, Mike, contact Chicago Center 134.02.
Okay, 390 Golf Mike 3402, and we'll see you.
Yeah. 240, 9 Bravo Golf.
Chicago Premier 390 Golf Mike 38.2, descending flight level 350.
River 390 Golf Mike, Chicago Center, roger. Sky West 4569, clear at Gumma.
Direct Gum, Sky 4569.
So we are...
Southwest 267, cross Poogie at maintain flight level 240.
Cross Pui at maintain 240, Southwest 267.
160 miles out.
Lindbergh 4478, flight level 212, climbing 230.
Lindbergh 4478, Chicago Center, climb maintain flight level 240.
Level 240, Lindbergh 4478.
Anyway, 157 nautical miles out, 19 minutes. So far, we have covered 1,040 nautical miles in 2 hours and 14 minutes. Made really good time today.
Number 9er Bravo Golf, contact Chicago Center 119.22. Good day.
222, 9 Bravo Golf, you have a good one.
American 2585, contact Kansas City Center 133.15.
American 2585, 3315, good night.
Yes. For 390 Golf Mike, descend maintain flight level 240.
Flight level 240, Zero Golf Mike.
Southwest 267, I want to verify, were you assigned a specific speed coming over, or were you just flying slower on your own?
I'm sorry, was that for Southwest 267?
Oh, sir, I was just wondering if you were assigned an airspeed prior to this.
Yeah, he did. We weren't assigned one, he just said slowest practical, so we were doing 75.
Roger, Southwest 267. I just let the next sector know the same. Contact Chicago Center now 11.22. Good day.
1922, Southwest 267.
Okay, well I gotta figure out how to turn the red flashing light off on this session. It's bugging me, so I set it off to the side. I know that you guys are dying for a better view of the MFD. I think I've got a solution that I just sampled there, but I can't have that light flashing. It's distracting.
Brazil Golf Mike, what's your rate of descent at this time?
1,300 feet.
Brazil Golf Mike, Roger, maintain 2,000 feet per minute or greater in the descent.
Alrighty, we'll pick it up 2,000 or greater, sir. Got mine. The display is getting pretty bright once the sun goes down, so I'm continually turning them down. I'm turned down pretty far now. And autopilot's flying the airplane. I have the vertical speed mode selected, which gives me a vertical speed in the form of a rate of descent. 2,100 feet per minute selected. Aircraft is just descending at that 2,100 feet per minute rate.
Number 390 Golf Mike, contact Chicago Center 135.75.
3575, Zero Golf Mike, good day.
Good. Let's approach 121.1.
And 21.1, good day for Carrier 3302.
Chicago Premier 390 Golf Mike, 22.8 descending, flight level 190.
November 390 Golf Mike, Chicago Center, cross JAKKS intersection at maintain 13,000. Ended up altimeter 3014.
Okay, JAKKS at 13,000, 3014 is the altimeter, Zero Golf Mike.
November 56 Kilo Papa, contact southbound approach 132.05. Good. November 577 Charlie Foxtrot to the maintain 4,000.
Okay, so a pretty aggressive descent to make that crossing restriction that gave me a little bit late. So we're gonna make it.
Envoy 3588, contact Indianapolis approach 121.1. Good night.
21.1, 3588.
Indianapolis Executive Airport. Automated weather observation. 015 Zulu weather. Wind calm. Visibility 1,800. Scattered ceiling 3,600. Overcast temperature 1.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, contact Indianapolis approach 121.1. Good night.
21-1, we'll see you. 0 Golf Mike.
Jetlinks 100, contact tower 120.9, good night.
Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike, 13.7, descending to 13,000.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, India approach, altimeter 3014, advise the executive weather, say approach request.
0 Golf Mike, we do have the weather. How about the vectors for the GPS runway 18?
November 0 Golf Mike, descend and maintain 11,000, expect vectors for the RNF runway 18 approach, executive airport.
Roger that, down to 11,000 now, 0 Golf Mike.
November 0 Golf Mike, descend and maintain 4,000 of a turn when you're below 10,000.
Okay, down to 4,000, 0 Golf Mike.
November 0 Golf Mike, proceed direct diag, join the final approach course inbound.
Direct to diag and join the final approach coast inbound, 0 Golf Mike.
Precure 3302, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, Precure 3302.
Maintain 3,000, expect 4,000, 10 minutes, cleared, Golf Papa Charlie as filed. 3-1 Papa Tail.
1 Papa Tail, your readback is correct, altitude leaving.
Leaving 2,000 for 3,000, ma'am.
1 Papa Tail, thank you, now altimeter 3014.
3014, 3-1 Papa Tail.
Exit jet 769, turn left direct Neva. Envoy 3588, turn right heading 140, descend and maintain 3,000.
140 heading down to 3,000 on 3588.
Brickyard 3302, contact tower 120.9er.
20.9er, good day, Brickyard 3302.
Delta 1261, descend and maintain 3,000. Envoy 3588, turn right heading 200, intercept the runway 23 right, localized, report the airport in sight 2 o'clock, 12 miles.
200 heading, join the localized for 23 right.
Exit jet 769, contact Indy Center 119.55, good night. Number 1 Papa Hotel, climb and maintain 4,000, advise Putnam County weather, and say approach request.
Climb maintain 4,000, I have Putnam County weather, and request RNAV 18, FAM 2.
Number 1 Papa Hotel, proceed direct FAM 2, vector for the RNAV runway 18 approach, Greenhouse Airport.
3-1 Papa Hotel, roger.
Envoy 3588, 3 miles from checkered, maintain 3,000 until establish on the localized of clear Dallas, runway 23 right approach.
Clear Dallas 23 right, I'm 3588.
And Envoy 3588, say basis.
It's mostly clear, but there's a layer, broken layer here at 3,000.
Envoy 3588, thank you. Contact tower 120.9, good night.
Call the tower, Envoy 3588, good night. Hello tower, number 3588 is 7 out on the island, 23 right.
Delta 1261, turn left heading 320. Number 0 Golf Mike, 3 miles from Circle, cross Circle above 3,000, cleared RNAV runway 18 approach, executive airport.
Clear to RNAV 18, Zero Golf Mike. Indy Premier, Zero Golf Mike, we go ahead and cancel and switch on over.
Delta 1261, 4 miles from Pacer, turn left heading 260, maintain 2,600 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 23 left approach.
2,500.
Premier, Zero Golf Mike, cancellation of 5-FAR is received, squawk VFR, there's no observed traffic between you and the airport, change of right frequency is approved, good night.
Zero Golf Mike, we'll see you.
Number 62.
Executive traffic, Premier 390 Golf Mike's about 10 to the north on the GPS runway 18. Okay, there's the lights, I just turned them on. Lights. It might look an awful lot like an ILS approach, but it is not. Executive traffic, Premier 390 Golf Mike's 4 mile final, runway 18.
One thousand. 500. Minimums, minimums.
Well, there's no doubt we landed. Can't let it roll out to the end here. Oh, sorry. I think I turned the light off on you, Mark. Sierra Golf Mike is clear at executive. Well, thanks for riding along. Not sure how the night landing turned out, but hopefully you found something interesting in it. So that was 1,193 nautical miles flown, 2 hours and 42 minutes, 2,490 pounds of fuel, basically, what, 370 gallons or so. Now that sounds pretty impressive to me, pretty efficient airplane. It's covering a lot of ground, pretty short amount of time. Our average ground speed was 443 knots for the entire flight. That's from takeoff to landing. everything's set back up for the next flight. Although I don't usually do it. Go ahead and taxi on, shut the other one down.
Pretty quick, wasn't it?
I tell you, for some reason, I think I just assumed, since last time you came back from Montana, I guess assumed that you had to stop.
Right.
Not realizing you had stopped last time just because you wanted to stop in Chicago.
Right, right.
So I assumed we were stopping somewhere along the way.
Yeah, you kept waiting, huh?
It's like a treat.
Yeah, no kidding. Get home and watch some baseball, maybe.
Yeah. I just realized you ferried me around everywhere today.
Hey.
With all the ground we covered.
Nothing wrong with that. Good. Where am I? Hey P1D fans, thanks for riding along with me today. And as always, you can follow me on Instagram at Premier1Driver. And I don't ask for money for my videos, but if you want some cool swag, you can go to my website, Premier1Driver.com, and get yourself a cool t-shirt or hat. Thanks for watching, fly safe, we'll see you next time.